Okay, listen to this. In the past few days, OpenAI dropped something that might completely change social media as we know it. They just launched a new app called Sora. And no, it's not another boring AI experiment. This one feels different. It's basically like Instagram, but every single video you see was made entirely by AI. You just type what you want and Sora 2 creates it. Want to film yourself drinking coffee in Paris? Easy. A vlog from Mars? Sure. A cinematic shot of you walking through neon-lit Tokyo streets? Done. But here's where things get crazy. There's this new feature called Cameo. You record one short clip of yourself, just once, and that's enough for Sora to learn your face, your voice, the way you move, even your expressions. After that, you can drop yourself into literally any scene you can imagine. A concert stage, the Met Gala, an alien jungle glowing under purple rain, and it all looks insanely real. I tried it, and honestly, it blew my mind, because the more I created, the harder it became to tell what was real. Remember when AI videos used to look fake? Weird hands, glitchy faces, robotic motion? Yeah, not anymore. Sora 2 makes everything look like it was shot with a real camera. Sound, light, emotion, it all feels human. Of course, OpenAI added safety features. You can only make cameos of yourself. There are watermarks, detection systems, all the usual stuff. But let's be honest, those limits never last long. Because every time tech takes a step forward, people push it 10 steps further. And then there's the remix button. You see a video someone made, a beach sunset in California for example, and you can just hit remix, change the prompt to sunset in my city, and instantly get your own version. It's ridiculously addictive. But let's talk about the real impact here. Sora 2 blurs the line between what's real and what's not, so much that anyone could fake an entire life. Trips they never took, events they never attended, memories that never existed. And that's both exciting and terrifying, because it means the entire way we create and believe in video content just changed forever. Will Sora kill Instagram or TikTok? Who knows? But one thing's for sure, the internet will never look the same again. In a minute, I'll show you how to get access to Sora even if you're outside the US, how to make your first AI-generated video, and what's coming next in this new wave of digital creativity. Welcome to the future of content. Now, if you don't have an invite yet, the best way to get one is to literally beg for it inside the official Sora Discord channel. Yeah, seriously. Occasionally, someone drops an invite code in there, and if you're fast enough, you can grab one and get in. That's exactly how I got mine. So if you're watching this right now, go check the Discord. You might get lucky. Once you're in, the fun begins. And trust me, you'll never look at social media the same way again. Now, here's the thing. When I first got into Sora, I thought it would just be another cool demo, something fun to play with for a few minutes. But after seeing what people are already creating with it, I realized this is way bigger than that. We're talking about the start of a new kind of internet, an internet made of synthetic reality. Think about it. Up until now, every platform needed creators, but now the AI itself can be the creator, and that changes everything. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like.